Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Maths Book. Today I am here with the continuation of KECAB model paper. In my previous video, we had completed till question number 22. Let us begin with question number 23. Here in the question, it is given in the figure, xy is a tangent at point P to a circle with center O. Q is a point on xy. Show that OQ greater than OP. Here they have given this figure. Let us see how to do this. Here I have written the question given xy is a tangent to a circle. I have written xy is a tangent to a circle to prove OQ is greater than OP, right? So now let us write Q is a point on xy. Here another point that is given in the figure, Q is a point on xy. Now we have joined OQ and mark this as R. Now see here, OP is equal to OR. Why they are equal? OP is equal to OR because they are the radius of same circle. In the same way, OQ is equals to OR plus RQ. Right? OQ is equals to OR plus RQ. That means automatically we can understand that OQ is greater than OP. Because OP and OR is same, that means OQ is greater than OP. This we had proved. Let us see the question number 24. A toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 cm mounted on hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 cm. Find the total surface area of toy. Okay. What they have given, let us see. First they have given a cone. So I have written cone here and underline. Then the cone is mounted on hemisphere of radius 3.5 because they have told it is having a same radius. So I have written R is equals to 3.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter is nothing but 7 by 2. Even we can write in decimal form or fraction form also. So same radius, so R is equals to 3.5, that is also equal to 7 by 2. Now to find the surface area of toy, for example, they have told the toy is in the form of cone mounted on hemisphere and the total height of toy is 15.5. Complete height is 15.5. Now what we have to do is we need to find the height of cone, right? So we have to find the height of cone. So what I'll do, h is equals to, from 15.5 we will remove hemisphere and the hemisphere radius is 3.5. So I have written 15.5 minus 3.5, that is equals to height of cone we got as 12 centimeter. But they have told us to find surface area of cone, so we need slant height. How we will get slant height? We know the formula for slant height. L is equals to root of h square plus r square. So L as it is, root as it is, h value is 12, 12 square plus r I have taken as 7 by 2. If we want we can take 3.5 also. So I have taken 7 by 2. Now let us see, 12 square is 144 plus 7 square 49, 2 square 4. Now let us do LCM cross. 4 4 is 16. We got by after cross multiplied 576 plus as it is 49 as it is. Okay. Upon 4, complete 4 because we cross multiplied, so complete upon 4. Now L is equals to 576 plus 49 is 625 by 4 and root of 625 is 25 by 2. That is equal to 12.5. If we divide this we can get 12.5. If we want we can write 25 by 2 also. So we got slant height as 25 by 2. Now TSA of toy, total surface area of toy, is nothing but CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Now we should know the formula for this. CSA of cone is pi RL plus 2 pi r square. Now we can see radius is same, pi common and radius, pi r is common. So pi r, if I take common outside here, what left? L as it is plus 2 also as it is because pi and r is common, 1 r will be remaining. Okay. Then pi value is 22 by 7 into r value I have taken as 7 by 2. Why I didn't take decimal? Because if we take fraction we can cancel easily. Upon L value is 25 by 2. 2 as it is, r value is 7 by 2. In next step see what I'll do. 7 7 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 1s are 1s are. So what we got? 11. Okay. In a bracket 25 by 2 as it is, these two get cancelled and remains 7. Okay. Now 11 by 2 as it is, this 25 by 2 I have written as 12.5 because we know it is 12.5 plus 7 as it is. Now 11 bracket 12.5 plus 7 is 19.5, and 19.5 into 11 if we do, we get 214.5 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of toy. Let us see the next question now. Here, okay, the volume of sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter cube. Why cube? Because it is volume. Find its surface area. Very easy and very simple question. Let us see how to find this. Okay, they have given volume of sphere is 539 by 3 centimeter square. Now volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to 539 by 3. Now we can see both side we have 3, so 3 get cancelled. What remains? 4 as it is. Pi value is 22 by 7 into r cube as it is equals to 539. Now r cube is equals to 7 will go divide it will go and get multiply 539 into 7 by this will come and get divide 4 into 22. In the next, r cube is equals to, now let us cancel. I didn't cancel so that I can clearly cancel in front of you people. So 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 44. So 9 remains, 11 9s are 99. We got here 49 and we know 49 is 7 into 7. So into 7 as it is. 4 is nothing but 2 into 2. Why I have written in this form? Because we know that here r cube is there. So to make cube form I have split this. So r cube is equals to 7 by denominator 2 whole cube. They are in cube form. So cube get cancelled. So r value we got as 7 by 2. We got radius as 7 by 2. Now let us, they have told to find surface area of sphere. Okay. So surface area of sphere is nothing but 4 pi r square. That is 4 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r value just now we got 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Why? Because r square. Now let us cancel. 7 got cancelled. 2 1s are 2 2s are, this 2 and 2 got cancelled. What remains? 22 into 7, and the value of 22 into 7 if we multiply we get 154 centimeter square. Why centimeter square? Because surface area. Okay, let us see the next question now. So the next question is question number 25, that is one of the zeros of polynomial p of x is equals to x square minus 5x plus k is one more than the other zero. Find the value of k. Means one zero is one more than the other. So I have written here, let one zero of polynomial be alpha I have taken, then other is one more than the other. So beta is one more than other. Okay, one I have taken as alpha only and beta is the other one which is one more than other. So I have taken 1 plus alpha. Given polynomial is x square minus 5x plus k. Let us write a is equals to nothing means 1, b is equals to minus 5 and c is equals to k. Now we know sum of zeros and product of zeros. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. We know this. Alpha as it is alpha, plus sign as it is. Beta value is what? 1 plus alpha. So in place of beta I have written 1 plus alpha is equals to minus sign as it is. B value is minus 5 upon a value is 1. Okay, alpha plus alpha is 2 alpha plus 1 as it is equals to minus minus plus 5. 2 alpha is equals to 5 plus 1 if I take this side minus 1. 2 alpha is equals to 4. Right? Alpha is equals to 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. We got alpha value as 2. 1 0 we got as 2. But we don't want 1 zeros here. We want k value. Product of 0 alpha into beta is nothing but c by a. Alpha as it is. Beta value is nothing but 1 plus alpha. I wrote 1 plus alpha. Now let us write alpha value. We got 2 na. So alpha place I have written 2 bracket as it is. 1 plus alpha value is 2 is equals to k by 1 is k. Okay. 2 as it is, 1 plus 2 is 3 is equals to k. K is equals to 2 3s are 6. So we got this answer so easily. Question number 25. Let us see question number 26. What they have given. Okay. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. Okay. Let us solve this problem now. So two numbers they have mentioned. Let the two numbers be x and y. According to the question, sum of two number is 27. So x plus y, sum between these two number is 27 and product is 182. X into y is 182. I have taken just this as equation 1 and 2. Let us rewrite this. Y is equals to 27. This x, if I bring this side, it becomes minus x. So we got y value. Put y is equals to 27 minus x in equation 2. So equation 2 x as it is, y value what we have to write, I have written here 27 minus x is equals to 182. Okay, 27 into x is 27x minus x into x square. This 182, if I bring this side, minus 182 equals to 0. Now x square minus sign is there, so I have written this as plus, this plus, the change of whole equation sign. So as a quadratic equation, so x square first, then 27x plus 182. Why I have done this? Because I have changed the whole equation sign is equals to 0. Now we have to find the factors, that is factorize first and last number, that is 182 x square. So 14 13s are 182. But we have both minus 27 we need, so both having minus sign, minus 14x minus 13x. If you didn't get this, we have to do this way and we have to find the value, we get the proper numbers. Now x square as it is, minus 14x minus 13x plus 182 is equals to 0. Here first two numbers common, x, what remains, 1x remains, minus 4x I have already taken common, 14 remains. In between these two numbers again what we have to take, minus 13 I have taken common, so what remains, only x. This I have taken minus common, so this plus has become minus. 13 14s are 182, so x minus 14. So common bracket I'll write x minus 14 remains what, x minus 13 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 14 and x is equals to 13. Therefore the two numbers are 13 and 14. Let us see the next question here. Here there is a OR option. So one more question in question number 26. The altitude of right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 cm, then find the other two sides. That means they have told something about altitude, but we don't know what is base. So I have solved here. Let the base be x centimeter. So I have taken this base as x centimeter and they have told altitude as 7 less than its base. So I have taken this as 7 less than its base. And the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. So altitude is 7 less than its base. From the figure AC, this is a right angle, right? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Why right angle? They have mentioned in the question. So AC square is 13. So square as it is. AB value is x minus 7, square as it is, plus BC is x square. Next, let us solve. 13 square is 169 is equals to a minus b whole square formula, x square minus 2ab. A value is x, b value is 7 and plus b square, b value is 7 square, plus this plus as it is x square. Now x square plus x square 2x square minus 7 2s are 14x plus 7 square 49. These 169 I bought here, so it becomes minus 169 equal to 0. Let us solve 2x square as it is, minus 14x as it is. 169 minus 49 is 120. Why minus sign? Because bigger number is minus, so minus 120 is equals to 0. This the whole equation gets divided by 2, so let us divide by 2. So 2 gets divided, x square minus 2 7s are 14 minus 2 6 are 12, 0 as it is. Now same again factorize, minus 60 x square, 12 5s are 60, 12, but we need minus 7, so minus 12x plus 5x. Okay, x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equals to 0. Now we should remove the common between first two numbers and next two terms. X is common here. What remains? X minus 12 remains because x is common. Now plus 5 is common. X as it is. 5 12s are 60. So the common bracket is x minus 12. What remains? X plus 5. Therefore x is equals to 12 or x is equals to minus 5. We know that length or measurement cannot be negative. Therefore base is equals to x, that is 12 centimeter, and altitude x minus 7, that is 12 minus 7 is equals to 5 centimeter. So this complete the question number 26. Let us go for the question number 27 now. Prove that sine plus cosec whole square plus cos plus sec whole square is equals to 7 plus 10 square plus cot square. So this is a very good question, so easily we can get the answer. Let us solve. I've solved here. Sin A plus cosec square plus cos A plus sec whole square. Let us consider these as A plus B whole square and this also A plus B whole square. So I'll split the formula A square. A means sin square plus 2AB. 2AB sin 2 sin A cosec A plus B square. B is cosec square plus this bracket, let us open, A square cos square plus 2AB 2 cos A sec A plus B square sec square A. Okay. Next, let us bring sin cos square near. Sin square plus cos square, this cos square I brought near, plus 2 as it is, sin A as it is, into cosec is nothing but 1 by sin. We know reciprocal ratio, cosec value is 1 by sin, plus this cosec square A as it is, plus 2 as it is, cos A also as it is, and we know sec is 1 by cos, plus this sec square A as it is. In next, sin square A plus cos square A is nothing but 1, plus this sin A got cancelled, 2 ones are 2, plus this cosec square A as it is, plus cos got cancelled, 2 ones are 2, plus last one sec square A as it is. Now let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 plus cosec square A is nothing but, as identity we know that 1 plus cot square A, plus sec square A is nothing but 1 plus tan square A. Now let us count 5, 6, 7 plus tan square A, cot square A, and this only we need to prove. So we got 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So we completed question number 27. In my next video I am going to continue from question number 28. Do like and share. Thank you.